Dear students, today our topic in standard 8 is expansion of the terms x plus a in one bracket and x plus b in other bracket. Means this is the product of two binomials where one term is same and other term is different. This expansion we have to see its formula. Now let us understand this formula by this diagram. So this is a rectangle, this is a rectangular box where the length of this part is x and length of this part is a और इस पार्ट की लेंथ भी x है और इसकी b है. अब इस पूरे की अगर हमें एरिया फाइंड करनी है तो ये रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है, तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ means for finding this area we will multiply. So the total length of this side is x plus a and total length of this side is x plus b. Now for we are finding its area means we are finding the product of x plus a and x plus b. So let's see what is the product of these two binomials x plus a, x minus b. Now look at this box. This box here, this length is x, this length is x, means all sides are equal. This is x square, so its area is x square. Now look at this box. Here this part, the length of this part is x and length of this part is a. So this is rectangular shape, its area will be a into x, length into breadth, that is a into x, this is ax. Now look at this part. Here the length is b and breadth is x, so area length into breadth will be bx. This is ax, this is x square, and this box is again a rectangle where length is a and breadth is b, so the product will be a into b, that is ab. Now what is the total area of this box? For that we will do the sum of all these boxes. So the area of this box means x into a multiplied by x plus a multiplied by x plus b will be x square plus this box ax plus this box bx and plus ab. So x square plus ax plus bx, here x is common, so in the bracket we can write a plus b and multiplied by x. X common we have taken out, a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. So this is the total area of this rectangular box, rectangular shape, and so we have got this expansion. So this is the expansion formula of product of x plus a and x plus b, means the product of binomials, two binomials where first term is, one term is same and other term is different. So we can also express this expression as first term square plus sum of second terms a plus b, sum of second terms multiplied by first term plus product of second terms a into b, product of second term. Now this is the formula we will use and we will now solve practice set 5.1. Now before starting practice set 5.1, let's see an example of based on this formula. So this is the first example, x plus 2 in one bracket and x plus 3 in other bracket. This is, we have to find the product. So what is the formula? Formula is, formula is first term square plus sum of second terms multiplied by first term, that is x, plus product of second terms. So first term square, that is x square, plus sum of second terms, that is 2 plus 3 multiplied by x, plus product of second terms 2 into 3. So this is x square plus 2 plus 3 is 5x plus product of second terms is 6. So this is the expansion of this product of these two binomials. This is the answer write the answer again. X square plus 5x plus 6. Now let's start practice at 5.1, example number 1. Now what is the difference between this example and this example? So here there was addition, there were two binomials and there was in each bracket there was addition of two terms. Here in the first bracket there is addition of two terms, in the second bracket it is difference of two terms. So how we will solve this? See, formula will be same, first term square plus sum of second terms multiplied by first term plus product of second terms. Now when we write first term square, that is a square. Now sum of two terms, so when you write 2 plus negative 1, this will be 2, positive negative, it will be negative 1. So here we will write directly in the bracket 2 minus 1. You can also write like this, 2 plus negative 1 in this bracket. यूजिंग स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यू कैन राइट दिस, और यू कैन डायरेक्टली आप सीधा ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, ऐसे लिख के बाद में ऐसे लिखा तो भी चलेगा या डायरेक्ट लिखा तो भी चलेगा. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेकेंड टर्म्स दैट इज 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई नेगेटिव 1. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2 minus 1 is 1, no need to write coefficient 1, multiplied by a, that is a, 1a means a, plus the product is 2 into negative 1, it is negative 2, positive negative negative, so this will be a square plus a, positive negative again negative, minus 2. Or you can directly write without writing this line, you can directly write this line also. इसको छोड़ सकते हो, स्किप कर सकते हो, डायरेक्टली एज लिख सकते हो. सो आंसर इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए माइनस 2. और लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल्स. सब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, 13 plus x in one bracket and 13 minus x in second bracket. We have to find the product. So the formula is same, first term square plus sum of second terms multiplied by first term plus product of second terms. First term square, that is 13 is the first term, 13 square plus sum of second terms x minus x, because the signs are different, so x minus x multiplied by 13 plus product of second terms. So 13 square is 169 plus x minus x will be 0, 0 multiplied by 13 plus x into negative x, the product will be negative, signs are different, product will be negative, and x square. So this is 169, 0 into 13 is 0, no right to write plus 0, and plus minus will be minus x square. So this is the answer, 169 minus x square. Now here we had to use this formula. In the exam we can also use another formula. Which another formula we can use? We can use a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in other bracket. So that will be first term square minus second term square. This is the formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in second bracket. So its converse will be first term square minus second term square, that is x square. 13 square is 169 minus x square. The answer will be same. You can use any method in the exam. 9x minus 5t in one bracket multiplied by 9x plus 3t in second bracket. So first term square, the term first term which is the same terms, so that square 9x square plus sum of second terms, this will be minus 5t plus 3t multiplied by first term which is same term 9x plus product of second terms minus 5t into 3t. 9x whole square is 81x square plus in the bracket, what is the sum or difference of these two terms? This is minus 2t multiplied by 9x plus product of these two terms is negative, positive, negative, 5 3s are 15, negative 15 t square. So this will be 81x square. Now the product of these two terms is negative, positive, negative, so we'll write minus 2 9s are 18 tx, and positive negative again is negative, minus 15 t square. So the answer is 81x square minus 18 tx and minus 15 t square. Okay. Now this is the last example, 9th number. Now let's see how to solve this. So again there are two binomials. This is the sum of two terms and this is the difference of two terms, where first term is same. So the formula is, you know, first term square. Here we can use simple bracket also. So 1.1 upon y whole square plus sum of second terms, that is 4 minus 9, because the signs are different, so we write 4 minus 9 multiplied by first term, that is 1 upon y, plus product of second terms 4 into negative 9. So 1 upon y whole square, 1 square is 1 upon y square, plus now 4 minus 9 is negative 5 multiplied by 1 upon 5, and plus the product of these two terms is negative 36. So this will be 1 upon y square, positive negative will be negative, 5 ones are 5, 5 upon y, and positive negative will be negative 36. This is the answer, 1 upon y square minus 5 upon y and minus 36. In this way you have to complete this exercise.